Quick push to keep it down. These guys are really done. It's like trying to hold it in. They're done. They're done. Can't find the one, baby. The clip, thank you. Thank you, lonely boys in the back. Look at it. Look at it. Go side by side. This freaker, my little split grabbing quad. Look at it. Look at it. Down, down, down. It's like putting a quick rail to a tiny guy. You kidding me, dude? I don't know. I'll be in the alleyway after the show if anybody wants to. That's right there.
Holy shit.